we have launched a new series of books called the Tricky Topic Books. So they're about navigating those hard transitions, like getting rid of a passy, moving away from screen time, transitioning from a crib to a bed and then staying in that bed, starting preschool and leaving you, and navigating the death of a pet. So child psychologists often use social stories that use real photography and help children really relate to other characters that are going through those same transitions. This helps provide a tool for you and your child to feel confident about navigating these hard times together. So these books are available in your subscriber shop for $10 each, and they'll be exclusive for the next couple weeks, only to subscribers. We hope you love them. If you have any other ideas for any other transitions that you'd love for us to cover, please DM us and we will start working on it.